Hi House and Home, I'm Stephanie Brown of Stephanie Brown Inc. and I'm so excited to take you through this beautiful home in Kitsilano, Vancouver. This is a new build home and our clients are in a new chapter of their lives. They've downsized from a larger home in the suburbs and this is like a little city pied-à-terre for them. Our clients have 3 adult children and now some grandchildren coming into the picture. So while they wanted the home to be really elegant and beautiful, they also needed it to be super family friendly and well-oriented to entertaining. Cooking is a huge passion, and so the kitchen definitely got a well-deserved piece of the floor plan and is really well appointed. The layout of the main floor, it is the public spaces generally. We have an open concept layout and the kitchen features a combination of materials. We loved how the outside of the home has a vintage looking painted white brick and very contemporary black metal panels. This unique juxtaposition of traditional and modern, which is something the clients were really drawn towards. And so then we worked hard to bring that same feeling, the materiality, and the combination through to the interior. We used it on the exterior walls of the kitchen to be true to the architecture. We didn't put it on any interior walls where there wouldn't naturally be brick anyway. And then we juxtaposed the brick with a much more elegant material being the marble on all of the countertops and the backsplash. Then for contrast, we brought in a black stained oak island. For the hood fan, we thought this is another perfect opportunity to do that juxtaposition and the play on traditional meets modern. So we designed just a very clean and minimal black metal cover, which totally mimics those black masses and forms that are on the exterior of the home. The window in the kitchen is really special. It's massive, it lets in so much beautiful light, traditional but not too busy at the same time. And then the windows actually slide open and the countertop extends outside. So there's a lovely little drink ledge that's perfect for entertaining in the backyard. Off of the kitchen is a small mudroom where we opted to embrace a little more drama. So we have black painted cabinets in there. And again, we brought in the brick on the exterior wall of the mudroom because it felt contextual and perfect for that spot. So it's a really small space, but every little inch has been carefully planned to accommodate all of our clients' needs and storage.
Thanks for watching. This house tour is brought to you by Tanqueray. Classic or nothing.
Hi, Linda.
Hi, guys. Come on in.
What says classic to you?
Classic would be a traditional shell filled with iconic furniture from all different periods.
What is one design detail that always feels timeless?
Hardwood floors.
Who is your classic design icon, past or present?
Haussmann from the mid-1800s Parisian, all those gorgeous apartments.
What's your favorite era to pull classic inspiration from?
Same period, Paris, mid-1800s, you know, those beautiful pied-à-terres.
Name your classic paint color.
White Dove, Benjamin Moore.
Favorite classic building or room of all time?
Versailles, ta-da, the Great Hall.
Most underrated classic design element?
Surface applied moldings, always.
What is your go-to classic piece to add to a space?
Any beautiful antique.
White walls or bold wallpaper?
Both.
Tulip table or Parsons table?
Both.
Leather club chair or velvet chaise?
Okay, leather club chair.
Eames lounge chair or Saarinen womb chair?
Eames lounge chair, for sure.
Breakfast nook or formal dining?
Both, we need both.
Floating shelves or built-in cabinets?
We need both.
Scandinavian minimalism or Italian maximalism?
Scandi minimalism.
Negroni or Fitzgerald?
Negroni, of course.
The living room and dining room feature a beautiful coffered ceiling where we used crown molding and layers of paneling to create a very classic, elegant environment, which is a little bit in contrast to the kitchen, which features the brick and is maybe a little bit more casual, but overall there's an underlying sense of classic design and elegance and sophistication. The living room has two focal points, one being the beautiful marble fireplace, and the other is the oversized, elegant black French doors, which actually slide open and provide a wonderful indoor-outdoor connection to the front patio. The focal point of the dining room is truly the wine cellar, which is a really unique feature to this home. The architect had created a U-shaped layout to the stairs going all the way up to the 3rd level. The clients had requested a wine cellar, so we had the idea to take it a little bit further through inspiration images our clients had given us. I had this idea that wouldn't it be cool if the wine cellar looked like an old European elevator that is all encased in beautiful metal mesh and ironwork, and it is now a really special focal point of the entire main level. The foyer of the home is, again, it's a smaller space. However, we wanted to treat it a little bit like a jewel box and really have some drama when you walk in. So the room features the same wall paneling as the rest of the main floor. However, it's painted in a deep, dark black tone. And we've done a beautiful inlaid marble mosaic on the floor that is very layered and has a lot of depth and geometry to it. So it's quite dramatic. And then also in the entry is what appears to be like an old vintage armoire, but it's actually brand new custom millwork. And we designed it specifically to house all of our clients' coats and shoes and even workout equipment and doggy items so that everything has a place, everything's tucked away, but it looks completely discreet and elegant. On the 2nd floor landing of the home, you arrive at the upper hall, where you'll see the top of the wine cellar, the top of that elevator per se. And then on the other side is the laundry, which being a fairly small home, it is one of those laundry closets. However, we've carefully planned it behind beautiful sliding antique mirror doors. So it's discreetly tucked away, no one knows about it, and everything looks fabulous. Being a city home with minimal square footage, and our clients really wanted to still have 2 guest bedrooms. So they compromised a bit on the size of their primary bedroom. We took it as an opportunity to really lean into the luxe vibe and bring in beautiful detailing again through paneled walls. The whole room's enveloped in this beautiful warm gray from floor to ceiling. Even the furniture and the rug and the window coverings are all very tone on tone, which creates a peaceful sanctuary. The primary suite features a great deal of built-in cabinetry. Parts of the paneling open, there's a TV hidden away, there's lots of drawers and extra clothing storage that is an addition to their walk-in closet, so that really helps maximize the space. And the primary ensuite is like another little jewel box. It's small, it's very functional, but it's really well appointed. We've used a beautiful marble tile on the floor and then brought it up the wall as a wainscoting. And then we did another wall tile above that in a handmade imperfect subway tile, just in white to keep it really bright and fresh throughout the room. And we used unlacquered brass fixtures throughout, which patina with use and over time, and so it really brings in that wonderful old world character. The 3rd floor of the home is really an amazing bonus area. Our clients have a wonderful media room and a beautiful olive green velvet sectional where they can cuddle up and watch movies and hang out with the grandchildren. The top floor does feature windows on all sides, so it gets a lot of wonderful natural light. It's a great place to hang out day or night. Finishes are all very monochromatic, so it does feel welcoming and warm and inviting up there. This area also has a wonderful little rooftop deck that features a fire table, and it has some peekaboo views of English Bay. Being a smaller lot, central in the city, there isn't a lot of outdoor space, but it's been really, really well utilized. So the front yard basically is the outdoor living area. So there's wonderful big seating area, a huge fire bowl, and just the most exquisite, lush landscaping. And then it's symmetrically backing onto the indoor living room, which they can open up to each other via sliding doors. And then at the back of the home is the outdoor dining area where the clients can barbecue, host dinner outside. The kitchen window looks out at the back of the garage. However, the architect knew this and deliberately designed the back facade of the garage to be something really attractive and special. And once again, it's right up against that white painted brick. And there's actually a linear gas fireplace on the back of the garage that creates some really lovely ambiance for nighttime dinners outside. The home does have a predominantly black and white color palette. It's really important to bring into that a great deal of texture and some additional materials. Beautiful velvets and linen, grass cloth wallpaper. So all of these textures add so many layers to what could be a stark palette and help it feel really rich and warm.